Now the West Indies women now trail their 5-match T20 international series against England women 4-0 after going down by 49 runs at the Kensington Oval in Barbados on Sunday. Captain Hayley Matthews, 23, Shemaine Campbell, 17 and Affy Fletcher, 14 were the only players to get into double figures against Lauren Bell, 4 for 12. Sophie Eccleston also chipped in with a 2 for 13 and Charlie Dean, 2 for 16 for the English. Earlier, having elected to bat, England women were restricted to 131 for 8 of their 20 overs as Shanetta Grimmond and Cherry-Ann Fraser took 3 wickets apiece. Sophia Dunkley top scored with 35 while Catherine Brunt made 24 not out for England women. Despite the defeat, West Indies women's captain Hayley Matthews was full of praise for the bowlers, in particular Fraser, who had 3 for 20.
And yeah, it was definitely a turning point to the game, and I think those are crucial moments that played throughout the game. So it was really good to see her have that performance today. And like I said, she's been a bright spark for us, so hopefully more performances for her like that in the future.
And Matthews, who had scores of 35 and 23 in the last 2 T20s, feels it's only a matter of time before she converts one of her starts into a big score.
Cricket is a sport of a lot of highs and lows, and as a player just try to stay as level as possible. Obviously not getting the runs I want at the moment, but look, myself and the team are fighting really hard to continuously improve, and yeah, that's all I can hope for and try to stay level with it.
The 5th and final T20 will be played on Thursday.